Okay, so now we're going to get into some application problems. This first one says I want to solve the temperature formula for F. So let's go ahead and rewrite this. So I have C is equal to 5/9 F minus 32. And this is a formula to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. So I want to solve for F. So I could go ahead and just divide out 5/9 from both sides. So divide by 5/9. Well, what happens when we're doing division? Well, I flip my fraction, and then change to multiplication. So I flip this and change to multiplication. So remember that KFC. So I get 5/9 C is equal to F minus 32. And then I just add 32 to both sides. And so I get that. Okay, and then for the application, it says a fever is generally considered to be a body temperature greater than 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Your friend has a temperature of 37 degrees Celsius. Does your friend have a fever? Okay, well, we have the formula. C is equal to 5/9 F minus 32. And now I'm going to plug in what I know. Well, I know that your friend has a temperature of 37 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to plug in that 37 for C. And now I'm going to solve for F. So again, like we did before, I can divide out that 5/9. But like what we saw here, when I'm dividing it, I'm really just multiplying it by the reciprocal, which I made a mistake over here. That should have been 9/5, which I'll fix all the way down. So that really means I'm just multiplying by 9/5 and put that over 1. So when I multiply 37 times 9, I get 333 over 5. It's equal to F minus 32. And then I'm going to add 32 to both sides. So this 33 divided by 5, if you put that in your calculator, that's really just 66.6. And so when I add 32 to that, I get 98.6 is equal to F. Well, that is smaller than 100 degrees Celsius, so the answer would be no. Okay, go ahead and pause the video and try completing this next one on your own. So when you did 9a and you solved for r, you should have gotten that r is equal to I divided by pt. So now do the next one. It's important to know what these letters stand for. So that I, stands for interest. Here, let me change color. P stands for principal. R is the rate. And then T is equal to time. So here it says I deposited $5,000 in an account that earns simple interest. So that 5,000 is my P. And says after 6 months, so that's my time. However, my time here has to be in years. So 6 months, that is half a year. And it says my interest is 162.5. I want to find my annual interest rate, so I want to find what R is equal to. Well, plugging all that information into my I equals PRT, my I was 162.5, my P is 5,000, my T was 0.5. And then I don't know my rate. So I'm going to go ahead and simplify the right-hand side. When I do 5,000 times 0.5, I get 2,500. And then to get R by itself, I'm going to divide both sides by 2,500. And so, for my ending answer, I'm going to do 162.5 divided by 2,500, and I get 0.065 is equal to R. And to write that as a percent, that means a 6.5%. Okay, that's it for this video. If you want to look at extra examples, you can look at that below. You can do some extra practice. If not, you can go straight to the homework.